Hey guys, what's up? Coolboy57 here, and introducing the Indestructible truck. So we have built this truck to be pretty much indestructible with these front protection stuff and a bunch of reinforcing on the inside and this tarp for fun. Yeah. So now we're gonna do a few tests on it. So now we're gonna begin the tests. Okay, so let's start the first test, the crash test. So I'm just gonna push it to the wall like that. So in 3, 2, 1. So I said it was indestructible, but nothing happened to the back. There's like pretty much no human beings in there, so really it's pretty much okay. So speed this part up. So didn't exactly pass that test. So next test. Hit it with my monster truck, Monk. 3, 2, 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so not exactly the best thing happened because this part, while we were testing it before and all, broke. So it doesn't really connect that well. So it just hit it and it broke through it and it just separated. So it doesn't exactly count as broke. But the turret got blasted, which is pretty normal. Now it's time for the set. Instead of this one, my set. Monster truck set. 2, 1. Okay, that would have done pretty severe damage, but if everybody had put their seatbelts on, I'd say they're pretty good. So, other than the turret getting yeeted, it's not a problem. So now we're gonna send both of them at the same time. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, both did very little damage. Well, it's from the side. We gotta do it from the front and back. But not both at the same time. That just won't work. So, this time back test. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, nothing really happens. So that's a fail. Now we're gonna do something else. No, I didn't need it. That was also pretty useless. So next we're gonna try something else, like maybe jumping it off the Lego box. Now we're gonna jump it from the Lego box. 3, 2, out the window, 1. The only real damage was the front and back separating and the protection type thing separating too. Other than that, everything was okay. So next test. So now, because we're kind of Ninjago fans, so we have this Zane, that's card. Both of them, we have their Spinjitzu forms. Oh god. Not forms, their Spinjitzu stuff. So with that, we're gonna test it to see if, just think these snakes, even though they never made these benchstone snakes, we'll see if the snakes, just think the snakes were inside this. And the ninja said to break it open because maybe, let's say, the most useless, Jay, got into some trouble and was trapped inside and they needed to rescue it. So just think that happened. and then just need to rescue him. So that's what's gonna happen now. So just steal Jay. And yeet! The other dudes. Then put your shuriken away. You take guy. Okay. Oh my god, his head! Where's the camera? His head? No, his hand. Take it off. I'm trying. Yay! What happened? What did you just break? Nothing.
Technical difficulties.
He is right now somehow controlling both the turret and two swords at the same time. So what they need to do is like make the turret blast off.
I don't think that will work, mate. Look, they're not even as tall. I don't know how they can just like turn it. But that's what this will be.
Not like that. Like hit it
Oh,
that
no.
much that the turret just falls off.
I don't think they'll do
You fit it perfectly.
it. They're too weak.
Yeah, in the middle. Yeah. So I'll show you that it's not loose. There, it's upside down.
Or maybe the top.
So,
Let's start. 3.
wait, no. Say the motto. Ninja go.
And Zane
Okay,
just...
Zane's just
Control it. Don't let it hit the top.
no.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Ninja go. Bomb him. Oh my god. That worked.
So, next is... What is it?
I'm not pretty sure. Maybe flood test.
We're doing a flood test.
3, 2, 1. Don't just. Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Peace.